Welcome to Kids Igbo class.
Hi children, it's teacher Princess again. I am so happy to see you, and I know you're very happy to see me too. All right, so today we're going to learn something interesting. We are learning 20 easy sentences in Igbo. 20 sentences that you can say during your morning routine from the time you wake up to the time you leave for school. Is that exciting? These sentences can be said by anyone in the house. Maybe your parents can say it to you, or you can even say it to your siblings. I am hoping that after you learn these sentences today, you begin to use them very often. All right? It's going to sharpen your Igbo skills. Let's go to class. Okay, children, we are here now. So like we said earlier, we're learning 20 easy Igbo sentences that parents and kids can say for morning routines. Let's go right in. The first one is how to say the time. And we're using this particular time because that's when some children wake up. All right, let's just go. Ọ na-akụ elekere isii. Ọ na-akụ elekere isii. That means the time is 6 o'clock. Okay? Ọ na-akụ elekere isii. All right? The next one is teta n'ụra. Teta. Wakey, wakey. Teta n'ụra. If your mom wants to wake you up, or maybe you want to wake your sibling up, you can just say, Teta n'ụra. Can you practice? Now let's go. Very good. Teta n'ụra. Good job. That was very, very good. And the next is how to greet. In the morning, when you wake up, the first thing to do is to greet your mom or your dad. All right? Let's say you want to greet your mom. What do you say? You say, Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Let's go again. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. That means good morning, my mother. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Another thing you can say if you want to greet your dad, for example, is Ụtụtụ ọma nna m. Good morning, my dad. Ụtụtụ ọma nna m. Going forward, I want you to greet your parents like this, okay? And the next is gaa kpee ekpere. Gaa kpee ekpere. Go and pray. You see these children kneeling down by their bedside trying to pray? This is something that everyone can say in their house. Gaa kpee ekpere. Your parent can say it to you, and you can also say it to your sibling. Let's practice one more time. Gaa kpee ekpere. Very, very good. Okay. Next is achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. It means I want to poo. Let's say it again. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. You look at this child in the picture, he's probably pooing, and then that's why he said that. So when you want to poo, you can just tell your mom, oh mom, achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Can you say that again? Let's go. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Excellent. Good job. Very, very good. You did it so well. The next is when you want to make your bed. You want to make your bed look beautiful. You want to lay your bed. What do you say? You say, achọrọ m imezi akwa m. Let's go again. Achọrọ m imezi akwa m. I want to make my bed. All right? Now say it with me one more time. Achọrọ m imezi akwa m. Excellent. Good job. Well done. And the next is when your mom wants you to do your morning chores in the morning before you go to school. Maybe you're supposed to do something in the house. She can just tell you, mee ọrụ ụtụtụ gị. Your mom or dad can say to you, mee ọrụ ụtụtụ gị. And that means do your morning chores. Let's say it again. Mee ọrụ ụtụtụ gị. Do your morning chores. All right? That's what it means. Mee ọrụ ụtụtụ gị. Let's move on. The next is something your mommy can say to you when you want to play in the morning. Instead of going to school and taking your bath, she can just say, Gasa. Did you hear that? Let's say it again. Gasa. Go and take your bath. Gasa. Now you say yours. Gasa. Well done. You did it so well. Gasa. Go and take your bath. Another one is Anam asa ezem. Again, Anam asa ezem. I am brushing my teeth. So if you want to tell your mom, I'm brushing my teeth, maybe she's asking you where you are and she wants to know where you are if you're already getting dressed, you can say, Mommy, Anam asa ezem. You can even say it to your dad, Anam asa ezem. I am brushing my teeth. Okay. The next is hichaa ahụ gị. Hichaa ahụ gị. Let's do it again. Hichaa ahụ gị. To hichaa ahụ gị means for you to clean up your body, like to dry it up. All right. Maybe you have just had your bath and then your mom wants you to take your towel and dry up your body, clean it up. She can just tell you, hichaa ahụ gị. Let's go again. One more time. Say, hichaa ahụ gị. That means clean your body. So you learn that. The next is yiri uwe gị. From the picture, you already know, right? It means put on your clothes. So some children, when they finish taking their bath, they maybe want to just, play a little. And your mom can say, no, yiri uwe gị. Put on your clothes. You can even say it to your younger one or to any of your siblings and tell them, yiri uwe gị. Let's say it again. Yiri uwe gị. Put on your clothes. Next is, so we've learned what yiri uwe means, right? Now we're looking at another variation. That is yiri uwe ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Let's say it again slowly. Yiri uwe ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. So yiri uwe means to put on your clothes. When you hear ụlọ akwụkwọ, it's talking about school. So that means put on your school clothes, your school uniform, right? Yiri uwe ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. That means put on your school uniform. Now let's say it one more time together. Yiri uwe ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Very good. That's it. Yiri uwe ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. The next is gbada n'ala. Gbada n'ala. So ịgbada n'ala is to go downstairs. All right? When someone tells you to gbada n'ala, they are trying to tell you to go downstairs. So for instance, this child maybe is ready, has gotten dressed, and he wants to go and have breakfast. And the dad or the mom says to him, gbada n'ala, go downstairs and have your breakfast, downstairs. Let's say it together. 1, 2, go. Gbada n'ala. Again, gbada n'ala. Well done. You did it well. The next is ka anyị kwado nri ụtụtụ. Let's do it again. Ka anyị kwado nri ụtụtụ. Let us prepare breakfast. Let us prepare breakfast. So nri ụtụtụ is literally saying your morning food. And our morning food is our breakfast, right? Yes. So that's why we say it like that. Now join me. Let's practice it one more time. Say, ka anyị kwado nri ụtụtụ. That's why this dad is right here on the screen. Maybe he has told his children to come on, let's go and prepare breakfast. And they are there together in the kitchen preparing breakfast. The next is anam eri nri. The next is anam eri nri. What does that mean? Anam eri nri simply means I am eating. Anam eri nri. So maybe this child's mom wants to call her and her mom wants to tell her to go and do something. She said, oh mom, anam eri nri. I'm eating. Maybe when I'm done, right? Anam eri nri. That's something we can say, okay? The next is buru akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Don't forget that I told you that when you hear ụlọ akwụkwọ, it means school. So that means this sentence has something to do with a school, right? Yes. So let's go to buru. Buru means to carry. Akpa is bag. So when someone says buru akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị, it means carry your school bag. Buru akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Can you try to say yours? Let's go. Buru akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Good. Ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Well done. Next is mee ọsịsọ. Let's say it again. Mee ọsịsọ. From the picture, can you guess what that means? Did you get it? It means hurry up. Mee ọsịsọ means hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, be faster. I think this girl is running. Maybe she wants to catch up with the school bus or something. So she's trying to mee ọsịsọ. She's trying to hurry up. Let's say one more time. Mee ọsịsọ. The next is this. Let's say it together. Gee onye nkuzi gị ntị. To get is to listen. Ige ntị is to listen. And onye nkuzi is your teacher. So to join it together to make a sentence, we say gee onye nkuzi gị ntị. Let's break it down again. Say it with me. Gee onye nkuzi gị ntị. Very well. Gee onye nkuzi gị ntị. Listen to your teacher. The next is banye ụgbọala ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Ụlọ akwụkwọ means school, right? And to banye is to enter. Ụgbọala is like your vehicle, maybe a car, a bus, all right? So now we join it together to mean enter your school bus. But let's say it again in Igbo. Banye ụgbọala ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Let's do it again. Banye ụgbọala ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Is that okay? One more time. Banye ụgbọala ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Enter your school bus, just like these children are trying to do. And the last one for today is ka ọ dị na mgbede. You see this child going off to school and the parents are probably saying, see you in the evening. And that means ka ọ dị na mgbede. See you in the evening. That was beautiful, right? I know. What you have to do going forward is to make sure that you always practice. Ensure that you say these things every morning and make sure that it becomes a part of your regular conversation. When you practice, you get better. But if you don't practice, you will forget. So I encourage you to practice as often as possible. If you want to increase your practicing capacity and you want more chances of learning Igbo more effectively, then I welcome you to join our group classes. The next cohort is already enrolling. This is time for you to join. I'm already displaying the details right on your screen. You can use the link attached to this post to make your payments and get enrolled. Till I come your way next time, don't stop practicing Igbo. Agamahogi Mbozo Kodi.